Hello there, it's me, earthmanbrick, and we're back with more Stargrave box sets. Yes, and this time we're going to be looking at the Stargrave Mercenary. It says Mercenaries. Let's see. Mercenaries, there's just a sticker covering over it. So yes, the Mercenaries, you get a lot of spicy variety. Lots of cool examples here of what the models can look like. So you get a whole menagerie of like aliens type heads, mostly based around different types of animals native to Earth, and very humanoid bodies, and a whole myriad of different arms and armaments. So yeah, very cool. A lot of nice accessories as well, and yeah, you can paint them up any paint scheme you like. Pretty cool. And yes, so what do you get in the box? Well, you get 20 miniatures, which means you get 4 of these sprues like this and 2 of these for the bases. And yeah, these are damn good bases. And look, no crappy oval thing on the base, not like with the other bloody kits. Like, it seems to be all the fantasy ones all have a crappy little oval thing on the bottom. And it's not just the Frostgrave kits that do that, it's also the Wargame Atlantic ones. I don't know, there must be some unwritten rule or something where they make the kits that way. I have no idea why. But yes, much like the other kits here, let me just do a quick comparison with the Mercenaries. So the Scavengers, they're more so trench coat laden, these guys. So you've got a nice bit of variety between the two. And the Mercenary set, I'll just jam it in between the two, is exactly that. It is like a cross between the two different sets. Let's have a look at the sprue here, just to show you what kind of variety you get. So you get you get 5 cool helmeted heads there, all very humanoid except from this one. That's kind of looks like a bug kind of one. More helmeted heads, so you get another 4 there, 5 if you include this one. And yeah, then you get your animal type heads. So you get a couple of lizard ones. You got what looks like a wolf, or it could be a bear, could be a raccoon like on the box. You get a cool Call of Cthulhu style tentacle head. I mean, you could almost have that as its own little creature and not use it as a head. That's quite a cool idea. I think I might do that. And yeah, you get your cool Planet of the Apes style monkey head. Am I allowed to call it a monkey head? I don't know, maybe that's racist. Who knows? It's current year. And we've got a whole menagerie of heads here as well. Yes, they're very cool. A couple of bionic eyes there, an alien one, a humanoid one, and the rest are just varying degrees of crazy humanoids. So yeah, a whole menagerie of heads. A lot of cool bodies. So you get 5 per sprue. Very generic and very similar to the sort of Stargrave Trooper ones. So yeah, it's kind of like that body armor style look and aesthetic. Not entirely the same, just broken up a little. And yeah, unlike the Troopers one, you get a lot more variation when it comes to the armaments. So yeah, a lot of cool different options there. Some nice sniper looking rifles with scopes. Nice big rocket launcher. Can never go wrong with that. And yeah, it looks like a shotgun there. Knives for stabby action. And yeah, lots of cool variety. You even have this hand here, which appears to be holding, let's see, it's like a little scanner. Scanning for life forms. Itty bitty life forms. Oh yes. Very cool. And yeah, a whole menagerie of different accessories. But enough about this sprue. What have we made with them? Well, I thought I painted the same color scheme as the Troopers because I love this color scheme. I thought it turned out great. So here is our Mercenaries. I mean, I'm not gonna lie. I like all these box sets. They're all freaking cool. I don't have a bad thing to say about them. Especially the lack of the little crappy oval bits between the legs. Take note, whoever makes these bloody miniatures, because I hate those fucking oval things. Yes. There, you can see there's a bug-eye helmet, and you can make it look relatively generic as well. Love it. And yeah, paint scheme-wise, I've just gone with a basic kind of zenithal, hit it up with white, and then a little bit of blue in between, and then slap back in with some black and a little bit of red. That's about it. It really isn't that complicated. You don't need to make it complicated. And of course the blue complements the orange of the base. So yeah, it pops right out. I really dig him. So, would I recommend this set? Bloody hell, I'd recommend all of them. They're all great. But that's all I've got for you today, so thanks again for watching, and bye.